Hello everyone, today I'm sharing my go-to healthy crunchy salted caramel banana oatmeal recipe. It's creamy, nourishing and delicious. Oatmeal is a staple in my house because it's healthy, delicious and easy to make. And it is my all-time travel companion. I never forget these when I'm traveling. I love that it keeps you full and gives you energy all morning long. It is a great basic meal that you can dress up in any way that you want. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye.